We're back with MF Ghost. We're at 0 seconds. Sync up. I was waiting an hour, literally an hour for this. So 0 seconds. Three, two, one. Let's go. Also, for some reason, I'm not for some reason, the last episode literally got um demonetized for copyright. So I'm pretty sure the first 2 minutes is a recap. So bear with me. Also, I didn't get that 89 Corolla GTS. It was sold right before I was about to drive over. I'll never get over that. So we already know. Wait, sorry. He places second or first? First. Sorry, he's first. And then the pedo is second. So he got beaten out. Yeah, so we saw this. This is how the last episode ended, if I remember correctly. And now he's gonna have some fun with um the really nasty MFG Angel. Oh, he's educating us. Japanese lesson right now. Subscribe. I may become a car channel soon. Who knows? Been watching a lot of Chris Fix. Oh, it sounds more like oh my, right? Or like oh my gosh, oh my. Like when you see an MFG Angel and they pan to the booty, you're just like, yeah, bye. There's nothing there. What an amazing guy. Oh my gosh. Yo, they should go to Kichi Omurice. The Omurice there is terrible. But if you like Omurice, maybe it's good. Oxtail there is pretty good. That looks good. Oh, the fish in Japan is so good. I'm really jealous. Wait, wait, is it yabai? Oh, that guy looked really familiar. Oh, he recognizes him. He's famous. He's so freaking famous. Yo, I don't think he rocks the middle part though. His original hairstyle's better. Okay, pause here. Meet back after the opening. We're at 6 minutes 57 seconds. The 4x4 attack. Three, two, one. Let's go. Oh, I have to keep my mouse there. Oh my. The Phantom one's talking to me, right? Oh, Keisuke, sorry. The cars are just better these days, though, right? That would change things quite a bit. Because he takes risks. The other guys don't. So, what other tweaks can they make? Literally, nobody cares. The Angels are so lame. So, how many laps? Is it 3 laps? Zero Academy. That sounds really familiar. It's not like Spiral Academy, right? Akonegaku. So there's a Beamer in the mix. The rain is perfect because it gives those with more skill a better chance of actually winning. Gives him an advantage because he knows how to operate in it. Yo, this is so nasty. Are you serious? Wait, he wears like a cardigan and a dress shirt, and the other guy's wearing full on racing gear. That's a good second. That's a really good second. I'm literally gonna get an 8-6 and copy Kategoric Kanata's full build. Twist. It's interesting. Sorry. It doesn't look like there are any American cars there. No Mustang. Where's the Mustang? Where's my New Edge Mustang? It's honestly so funny that all he wears is just like regular street clothes. And there's some dudes going hard. All the Japanese fans must love um the GTR and the 8.6. Because all the other cars are German. Maybe there's an Italian one thrown into the mix. I don't know. MF Gosto. I think the scariest thing is visibility. Like the lack of visibility is crazy. Oh my, he has a V10. Huh? What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you? I've been saying this since before the season dropped. They have nothing. Oh, Alpine, right? So there's a French one in the mix too. Oh, oh dang, they're all really confident in the rain. Whoa, underestimating the Nipponese. Oh, there's a Honda too, NSX or what? I don't know my cars. Oh yeah, I completely forgot about the Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Honda, I found two Honda Accords with pop-up headlights. One of them has rust in the wheel wells though, so I'm not really into it. Except for one. Ooh. He's gonna hit the guardrail? No, okay. Yeah, this guy's gonna lose so many places. Okay, let's see. Let's see him make a move. The Beamer's trying to make a move. I really wonder, like, if he was in a different car. Oh, what's up?
An offer on Etsy.
Oh, we got an offer?
No, I did on Etsy.
Eh,
Oh, sorry. No,
for the light boxes?
No.
Oh, okay. I guess not too many changes. Never mind. That's impressive. Ooh, exciting. Oh, is this where he's gonna kick things up a notch? Can't you turn those off? A 2-liter naturally aspirated engine. Just watch. Yo, are we gonna see a gutter run as well? That would be crazy. Oh, that's insane. Let's go. Our first overtake of the race. Kanata. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.